Welcome to the Most Beautiful Sights YouTube channel, your gateway to the world's most stunning locations. Perfect for travel enthusiasts and nature lovers, our channel showcases breathtaking destinations, from serene beaches to majestic mountains. Each video offers high-definition visuals and immersive soundscapes, bringing you closer to the beauty and wonder of our planet. Explore new places, plan your next vacation, or simply relax with the soothing sights and sounds of nature. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe and hit the like button to support our channel. Embark on a virtual journey with the most beautiful sights. Your adventure begins here. Let's enjoy the next video of another beautiful place and sight in Vietnam.
Lac Village in Mai Châu is a picturesque gem nestled in the mountainous region of northern Vietnam. Renowned for its serene beauty and rich cultural heritage, Lac offers a perfect blend of natural splendor and traditional charm. Here's an extensive description capturing the essence of this enchanting village. Lac Village is set against the backdrop of the towering mountains of Mai Châu. The lush green valleys, interspersed with terraced rice fields, create a mesmerizing landscape. These mountains not only offer breathtaking views but also a sense of tranquility and seclusion, making Lac a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. One of the most striking features of Lac is its terraced rice fields. These fields, carved into the slopes of the hills, are a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of the local farmers. During the planting season, the fields are filled with water, reflecting the sky and the surrounding scenery, creating a mirror-like effect. In the harvest season, they turn golden, adding a vibrant hue to the landscape. The village is crisscrossed by numerous rivers and streams, which add to its charm. These water bodies are not just sources of irrigation but also contribute to the village's serene atmosphere. The gentle sound of flowing water, combined with the rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds, creates a soothing natural symphony. Lac is famous for its traditional stilt houses, which are an integral part of its cultural heritage. These houses, made of wood and bamboo, are built on stilts to protect against floods and wild animals. The architecture is simple yet functional, with spacious interiors and large windows that allow for ample ventilation and natural light. The houses are often decorated with intricate carvings and traditional motifs, reflecting the artistic sensibilities of the local people. The village is predominantly inhabited by the Thai ethnic group, known for their vibrant culture and traditions. The locals are warm and hospitable, often inviting visitors to participate in their daily activities and cultural practices. Traditional festivals, dances, and music are an integral part of life in Lac. The Zo dance, performed by the Thai people, is a beautiful and graceful dance that symbolizes community and togetherness. Lac is also renowned for its handicrafts, particularly its weaving. The village women are skilled weavers, creating beautiful textiles using traditional techniques passed down through generations. The vibrant colors and intricate patterns of the woven fabrics are a reflection of the local culture and creativity. Visitors can often watch the weavers at work and even try their hand at weaving. The cuisine of Lac is a delightful blend of flavors and textures. The local dishes are made using fresh ingredients sourced from the surrounding fields and forests. Sticky rice, a staple in the region, is often cooked in bamboo tubes, giving it a unique flavor and aroma. Other popular dishes include grilled fish, marinated meats, and a variety of vegetables and herbs. The food is often served with a side of fish sauce, chili, and lime, adding a tangy and spicy kick. The cooking methods used in Lac are traditional and have been preserved over generations. Food is often cooked over open fires or in clay pots, which enhances the flavors. The use of fresh herbs and spices, along with the slow cooking process, ensures that the dishes are rich in taste and aroma. Visitors can often participate in cooking classes, learning to prepare traditional dishes using local ingredients. For those who love adventure, Ben Lac offers numerous trekking and hiking opportunities. The surrounding mountains and valleys provide excellent trails for both novice and experienced hikers. Trekking through the lush forests, crossing streams, and climbing hills, visitors are rewarded with stunning views and a sense of achievement. The trails also offer a chance to explore the local flora and fauna, adding an element of nature discovery to the adventure. Cycling is another popular activity in Ben Lac. The village and its surroundings are best explored on a bicycle, allowing visitors to move at their own pace and take in the sights and sounds. There are several well-marked cycling routes that pass through scenic landscapes, small hamlets, and agricultural fields. A guided village tour is also a great way to learn about the local way of life, visit traditional houses, and interact with the villagers. The spiritual aspect of Ben Lac is reflected in its temples and pagodas. These places of worship are often set in serene locations, offering a peaceful environment for meditation and reflection. The architecture of the temples, with their intricate carvings and statues, is a blend of local and Buddhist influences. Visitors can spend time exploring these spiritual sites, learning about the local beliefs and practices, and participating in meditation sessions. After a day of exploring, visitors can indulge in a traditional Thai massage, which is known for its therapeutic benefits. The massage techniques, which involve stretching and deep tissue manipulation, help to relieve stress and improve circulation. Many local spas and wellness centers offer massage services, providing a perfect way to unwind and relax. Ben Lac is a model of ecotourism, with a strong focus on sustainability and conservation. The village practices eco-friendly farming methods, uses renewable energy sources, and promotes waste reduction and recycling. These practices not only help to preserve the natural environment but also ensure that tourism has a positive impact on the local community. Community-based tourism is an important aspect of Ben Lac's tourism model. The local community is actively involved in tourism activities, ensuring that the benefits are shared among the villagers. Homestays, guided tours, and cultural activities are often organized by local families, providing visitors with an authentic and immersive experience. This approach not only enhances the visitor experience but also supports the local economy and preserves cultural heritage. Spring is a beautiful time to visit Ben Lac, as the village comes alive with the colors and scents of blooming flowers. The fields and gardens are filled with a variety of flowers, creating a vibrant and picturesque landscape. This is also the time when many local festivals are held, offering visitors a chance to experience the cultural richness of the village. The harvest season, usually in late summer and early autumn, is another highlight of Ben Lac. The golden rice fields are a sight to behold, and the village is bustling with activity as the locals harvest their crops. Visitors can participate in the harvest, learning about traditional farming methods, and enjoying the festive atmosphere. Winter in Ben Lac is cool and refreshing, making it a great time for outdoor activities. The mist-covered mountains and valleys create a mystical and serene ambience. The cooler temperatures are perfect for trekking, cycling, and exploring the village at a leisurely pace. In conclusion, Ben Lac Village in Mai Châu is a destination that captivates the senses and soothes the soul. Its natural beauty, cultural richness, and warm hospitality make it a perfect place for a memorable and enriching experience. Whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Ben Lac offers something for everyone. The village is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and tradition, and a visit here is sure to leave a lasting impression.